Introducing the new HEST Seat Cushion. Designed with premium comfort in mind, our portable seat cushion is your answer to sore sit bones from the campsite to the tailgate and beyond. With the HEST Seat Cushion, it's never been easier to find your seat on the road. Simply unclip the seat cushion's 2 linking clips and let the enhanced memory foam expand on its own. For flat surfaces, like a picnic bench or a stadium bleacher, secure your seat cushion in place by looping the integrated storage straps underneath the bench or bleacher through the loop clip and pull down to tighten. When the day is done, compress and roll up the seat cushion, attaching the linking clips on the end of the storage straps and pulling them tight. The HEST seat cushion packs down for an easy fit in any car camper's quiver, and an exterior handle allows for seamless transport. The HEST seat cushion is a great travel companion. From driver's seats to camp chairs to tailgates, this is home comfort built for the outdoors. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please email us at info@hest.com or check out our website, hest.com.